Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a snack box to share with you today and it is Snackcrate. This is the very first Snackcrate box I have received. I've had a quick look inside and I am super impressed. In this video I will be trying out all the items, but I'm not going to be eating them all. I have to share them. I have to. They know all about it. If they didn't, then yeah, I could have had it all to myself, but no, that's just selfish. But yeah, so I thought I'd give you my opinion as the video goes on. So Snackcrate is a monthly snack subscription box. It ships worldwide for free, which is one of the reasons I thought, yes, this is really good. And every single month you get a different box from around the world. Now I've got a box from the USA, so I know a lot of my subscribers do come from the USA, so if any of you are watching, please let me know if they contain any of your favourite products. I'd love to know. So when you first sign up, you get to choose whether you want a box that is sweet and chocolatey or salty and savoury or a mix. I went for a mix, and then there's 3 different price tiers as well. You've got a mini box which costs £13.99 a month, and that has 5 to 6 items inside. Then you've got an original, which is what I've got, and that costs £22.99 a month, and inside contains between 10 to 12 items. And then you've got the Whopper family box, which costs £39.99 and inside contains 18 to 20 items or more. Their website is playing up at the moment, which is really frustrating. I can't log into my account because I do have a refer a friend code to which will entitle you to have, I think it's 25% off. But anyway, don't worry about that. If you are interested in this box for yourself, as soon as you go onto their website, you will see at the top, if you're a new subscriber, you can have 25% off anyway, so it doesn't make any difference at all. This box, for instance, that I'm showing you today, the £22.99 one, you can get it for, I think it was £16.99 I paid. So as well as the subscription for yourself, you can actually buy one-off boxes as a gift as well. So I think that's it. I'll pop all links and everything to this subscription in my description below. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. This is what it looks like. So we got a, I don't know what this is, a little sticker maybe? Yeah, a Snackcrate sticker. And I got some more stickers. I just read this, look, a little card. These snacks are expired. What? But no, they say they're only joking. It's just a little handy guide to explain the sell by date, so I'm assuming there might be like little stickers on there. And then we got a little booklet. So United States booklet. I really like this actually. I thought this was quite cool. It's just got fun facts and lots of information about the US. It's got what you'd receive in a US box if you went for a mini, what you receive in a US box if you went for a original, which is what I've got. So I've got all of these. And then if you went for the family, you'd get all of these plus those items as well. And you've got Snackcrate pluses, which I'm not really sure what that is. I know you can add drinks as extras as well. So here's a nicer sneak peek. I just took a thumbnail, so I thought I'd show you. So the first item I'm going to try is a real peanut butter toast cheese sandwich crackers. Now they don't look that great actually. I think it's just the colour. They look like orange crackers with peanut butter in the middle. Look. No, I love peanut butter, so that's fine. But are they cheese crackers? I don't know. They do. They look like just cheese crackers that we get in the UK here, but with peanut butter in the middle. They are lovely. Look how orange those crackers are though. Yeah, super orange. That is so nice. That is really nice. I love the salt on the crackers. I love that. It's by the brand Lance. Oh, I love that. That is really tasty. Look gross, but taste-wise, lovely. We got Reeses Cups, and these are 2 peanut butter cups, and yeah, we love these here. We do love these. My eldest son, oh, he can eat loads and loads of them. I can't. I really love it, but I can only eat a tiny bit at a time because I find it really sickly. What's happened to that one? Is it melted? Okay. Oh, I do like it. Yeah, that is gorgeous. That is really lovely. But nothing new for me there. This is Butterfinger, crispity, crunchity, peanut and buttery. What's these? It's a big hefty bar. It's gluten-free, 250 calories per bar. No, it doesn't say anything more about it. Let's open it up. Has that melted as well? I don't know. Does it normally look like that? Any of you lot that have them? That is really odd. That is really odd. It's lovely. It is really, really nice, but it's just a really odd sort of texture. It reminds me of like a crunchy. Have you had a crunchy before? Like a honeycomb sort of middle. It's crunchy and bitty. Gorgeous chocolate. Chocolate tastes lovely, and it has got peanut butter in there, but it's not strong then. It's not like a Reeses cup. Oh, that's lovely. I have never tried anything like this before. It's really bitty, but chewy as well. Oh, I love that. I love that. That is my favourite thing so far. So what's it called? A Butterfinger. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. Still got bits in my mouth. Next, we got a packet of Cheez-It, and this is a baked snack cracker, and this is original. These are similar to the cheesy crackers that we have in the UK. I can't think of the brand now, but you know what I mean. It reminds me of a fish and chip shop. Is there vinegar in here as well? I don't know. It's made by Kellogg's. That is so nice. Really, really nice. They're very cheesy, but they almost taste like they've got like salt and vinegar in there. That's what reminds me of like a fish and chip shop in the UK. I'm impressed so far. There's nothing I don't like yet. The theme of this box is peanut butter and cheese. Got some Ruffles crisps, and these are ridges, and they're cheddar and sour cream. That's what they look like there. Oh, lovely. So much flavour. So much flavour. I know that's not necessarily a good thing, isn't it? But yeah. I really like them. I like them all. Another cheesy packet of something. What are these? White cheddar. Smart food. These are gluten-free. Okay. Popcorn. Look. Cheddar popcorn. Ah. It's so good. It's not overpoweringly cheesy, and half the calories of the others. But no, that's gorgeous. Next, I got some combos. These are stuffed snacks made with real cheese. It is. It's cheese and peanut butter, isn't it? Oh, it's pizza, baked pretzel. I'm not keen on pretzels, but yeah, I'll see what they look like, or more so, see what they taste like. I was expecting little pizza slices like what they got there, but no, they look like little logs. It is a pretzel with stuffing, so a round pretzel, and then there's stuffing in the middle. Okay. It's pizza. It's pizza flavour. I wouldn't buy them then. I wouldn't, if I saw them in a shop, I wouldn't be like, ooh. Not with like some of the other things that I've tried so far. They're not horrible. They're not horrible, but you know, they're alright. So now on to more sweet things. And we've got PopTarts. And these are PopTart Bites. Oh, frosted strawberry. I haven't had PopTarts for years and years and years and years. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Look at these. Whoop. Okay. We've got strawberry in the middle. That tastes really weird actually after those pizza stuffed pretzels. They're too sweet for me. No. Same as the pizza things. They're okay. They're not bad, but not something I'd like to try again really. Slim Jim originals. What are they? Smoked snack stick. Oh, they look like little pepperonis. Look. They look like little pepperami sticks. So there's 2 in there. I should have eaten these after the pizza things, shouldn't I? Not after the cake things. I should have a, what do they call it, that you have in restaurants and to cleanse the palate. Like a sorbet or a particular drink or something, don't I? But seeing me, I don't think of these things. Okie doke. It just looks like something fake. It probably is. I don't know. It's just like a pepperami. Pepperoni. Pepperoni is the meat on pizzas. Pepperami, the long sticks, isn't it? Whoa, there's some spice kicking in now. It is weird though. It's like I'm not eating proper food. Beef, pork, mechanically separated chicken. It's tasty, but it's just a little bit weird. So there's 2 of those in the box. So going back to sweeter things, I got 2 little bars here. Earheads, I got 1 in orange and 1 in watermelon. Oh, look, both flavours I absolutely adore. I have to get the orange one first. Look, and then let's try a bit. I could eat this all day. I have got an obsession with orange flavoured sweets. Anytime the kids have got like fruit pastels, not so much jelly babies, they're too sweet, but what am I thinking of? Anything, any packets of sweets. Starburst, oh my god, Starburst orange ones are amazing. They always give me an orange one now because they just know I love it. This is just like an orange Starburst. Oh, I really, I'm gonna have to keep that for myself. Sorry kids. And watermelon one. Look at the colour. Green. Ooh. It's still nice, but nowhere near as nice as the orange one. That is gorgeous, gorgeous. So we got those. And I've got a lolly, a Tootsie lolly. Tootsie Rolls Pop. I've tried Tootsie Rolls. I've tried them. It doesn't smell of green apple. So this is going to be fun, isn't it? No, that tastes nice. It's quite big though. It's quite big, but is there something in the middle of it? I don't know. I'm going to put that back in because obviously it's only just going to be me that's going to eat it. The kids aren't going to want to have a try after having it being put in my mouth. Yeah, it's just a little lollipop. And then lastly, something I can't wait to try. This is Sour Punch, and these are rainbow straws. There's strawberry, green apple, blue raspberry and lemon. Oh, I love these as well. So obviously you've probably guessed that if you're into healthy eating and non-processed artificial foods, this is not a box for you whatsoever. I go through phases of healthy eating, and I tend to eat healthily all the time, but if I want something nice I will eat it. Oh, I love these things. Absolutely love them. Sour. I hope it's a really good sour. It's not majorly sour, but they're nice. It's supposed to be lemon. Doesn't taste like lemon. Green apple. Here's sour. I don't know what that is. Watermelon? I think my favourite is strawberry. They're okay. They're not the best sour sweets I've tried, or sour straws. You can get some here. I don't know what the brand are. Are they called shoelaces? Oh, they are lovely. These are my favourites out the lot. So it's this weird looking biscuit with peanut butter in the middle. I like these, like Cheez-It, these crackers. That orange candy bar is gorgeous, and this Butterfinger, wow, wow, wow. These items I probably wouldn't buy again. I mean, these are okay, but they're not amazing. Not that fussed about these PopTarts. They're just a little bit too really sickly, if you know what I mean. And these, I don't like sort of powdery filling. It sounds really odd, but it's the pizza filling, but it tastes really powdery. And yeah, this it tastes nice, feels odd, but oh, I don't know. It's no, I don't think I could buy them again. So yeah, so those are the items that I probably wouldn't buy again. As a regular subscription, I don't think I will get it. Although saying that, the mini one might be quite cool. That is, what's that, £13.99 a month, and you get 5 to 6 treats in there. I don't know. I think it's a type of box that I might dip in and out of. I don't want my kids eating all this stuff all the time. Plus, I'm on and off my healthy eating diet and things. So yeah, for me, yeah, not a monthly subscription, but a subscription that I would like to dip in and out of. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this subscription. Do you subscribe? What boxes have you received in the past? All your comments and thoughts I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But yeah, so if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.